Looking for a great way to carry pressurized water out on the trail or anywhere you need it? Let's take a look at the Midnight Forests Rain Flux. To begin with, we need to set up the hoses. This is as simple as inserting the quick connectors into the hose and securing the nut tightly. Now let's take a look at what's included in this system. 2 hoses and a spray nozzle, battery and battery charger, and here's a look at the power unit, front and rear, and you can see the battery compartment in this shot. To insert the battery, simply open the door, slide it until it clicks, and we're ready to go. Next, we'll attach the quick connect hoses to the water tank and open the valve. On the top of the tank, open this one-way valve. No need to remove the cap. Now with the system set up, let's take a look how easy it is to have pressurized water wherever you need it. You can purchase this suction cup based nozzle holder directly from Midnight Forest, making it easy to convert your rain flux into a camp shower. If you need to take the rain flux with you, it's easy to remove, and now you're portable. Midnight Forest has developed a unique and easy to use mounting system. This mounting plate allows not only for easy removal and mounting, but also is lockable, protecting your investment and keeping it safe. And here you can see just how easy it is to use. We hope you've enjoyed this review of the Rain Flux water system. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.